Usembut Menteri Rangba kejela ubak kami Ikatanan Urban Affairs ubak sengaw bahalang dhar haka Henry Utrik Naitung. Ula ong baka sorkar kadon ya kajing kermen ban la ban shimno ya karai bak khatduh. Kabaya day bat kajing temu penken ria ya kejat penrio harijan na Them Metor, Them yo maulong. Haswa kabakut jong uni ubnai. Idon ya kajing temu haswa kabakut jong uni ubnai. Ngindang haban syong sakaway kajingalang bat in sa syong bishari kajingtip balayot lum khatduh ong uba sengaw bahalang habak keren syakilat tay kebuar. Ula benrap baha kajingalang kabak khatduh kladon kajing kerpat ya kajaka jong shipai kenang banla ban penken ria ya ki na Them Metor. Mentang idang ap ya kajingakren bak khatduh hapadeng ki hek sorkar bat kibuar shipai. Kumta tungen ya kermen bahaswa kabakut jong uni ubnai Insala banyasa mi kejingtem halor kejingni kibayadei bat ke Them Metor ulaang. Habak keli halor kejinghe kajaka balapan nagi shipai nak kebenta kan kejing temu penken ria ubak sengaw bahalang ulaang bakam padan satya kejingnya keren halor kan kebenta namar kejingnya keren kadang yai. Ngim shim lapan katnu ngin habnya keren shwa. Ladai kilong kibakloi ngin saong katnu kajaka kebangidan kam. Ngila deban itu ya hadut lai tali kijaka, Henry hadut Mynta ngimpat syem jingaiktien AA lagi shipai, namar wad Menteri Rangba ru ula syong jingalang kumba nilai sin wad Menteri kam yadari ulaang. Habakeli halor ke blueprint walaupun kreat ke sorkar jela nak benta kani kajing penken ria na Them Metor, ubak sengaw bahalang ulaang, bakani kadang yaisa kumba kalong. Henry ke sorkar kelabu ru ikajaka shipai kum kawaipat kalan.
So we are planning by the end of this month where we yet to sit one more and we'll take the exact latest report what is there. So maybe finally we'll see what are the exact report because the last meeting that we had, so there is option we may get land from defense also. So we are awaited for that last conversation between the officials and the defense people. So let us see, I think by the end of this month at least I'll be able to share something. What are they? We don't ask how much because we have to discuss first if they are willing, and we will ask this land is required. Land we have identified 2-3 places, but till today no signal has been received from the defense land. Let us see, because even Chief Minister they had a meeting, 2-3 meeting with the Union Defense Ministers, Government of India. Let's see, it should be, but let's see. By when, I cannot say by when. Let us have a discussion first, so only then we'll be able to take a call how to move forward. Blueprint is remaining as it is, so there we have got another option with the defense. That's why we are both sides are ready. If A is not working, we may go with the plan B. Government will take a call how to proceed ahead. No, that is everything the committee will decide. Whether demand or transfer, whether dialogue will be taking place, whether adjustment will be done, so that the committee will decide.